Are you ready to take your decision-making skills to the next level, all while experiencing the excitement of New York City? This one-week summer school course, offered by Pace University's English Language Institute and International Special Programs Division, is designed for undergraduates, graduate students, and working professionals with an advanced level of English. In behavioral decision-making, you will explore the psychology behind how we make decisions by understanding the roles of cognitive biases, emotions, and social influences. Through interactive lessons and practical applications, you will learn strategies to improve your personal and professional decision-making skills. By the end of the week, you'll be able to apply key theories and models of behavioral decision-making, recognize and mitigate cognitive biases, understand the role of emotions and motivation, conduct assessments to improve self-awareness, make ethical and strategic decisions in complex situations, and apply decision-making skills to negotiation and investment contexts. And the best part, you'll experience New York City all week long, learning in one of the most dynamic and inspiring cities in the world. For more information, contact the English Language Institute at Pace University. Don't miss this opportunity to enhance your skills and explore New York City this summer.